Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and just yesterday I made a video on how to round off the outside corners and not the inside corners. So I thought I'd make one and show you how to do the inside corners and not the outside corners. So I drew out 5 boxes. I'm going to select them all and I'm going to weld them together. Now go up to Windows and open your Dockers and open your fillet scallop and chamfer window. Now we're going to take our shape tool, we're going to click on our item, and then we're going to select just the inside nodes and then hit apply. Now it is rounded off the inside and not the outside. And there's quite a bit of possibilities you could do with this. Let's make it 3 inches and see what happens now. Well, see, I had everything selected. So let's select just the inside and go to 3 inches. That's a pretty cool effect for drawing something or just anything when you need to round off just a certain amount of corners. Let's just do these 2 corners and leave the other one square. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.